Welcome to another 1 Minute Wednesday, where we try our best to cover one of Desk Director's many features in about a minute. This week, we'll walk you through setting up email templates for notification events to streamline your communications. Begin by logging into your admin console. Navigate to Email, then Notification Events to get started. Desk Director offers 3 types of notification events, each ready for template customization to suit your specific needs. Find the event you wish to customize, click the Change button, and select your pre-designed custom email template from the menu. Rest easy knowing any changes are auto-saved, ensuring your new template is instantly applied to the chosen event. That's all for today's 1 Minute Wednesday. With these quick steps, you can personalize communication for each event. Thanks for watching, and start optimizing your Desk Director notifications today.